Hi, my name's Jillian Hegel, and I'm here to show you and talk to you about Wixie. Wixie reminds me of like something of a Google Slides or a PowerPoint presentation that is very much student-centered and student-friendly. It allows them to draw pictures, add pictures from the internet. They don't have to search Google. There's just safe pictures, so you know that they're not getting anything um, unsafe or not good for little eyes to see. Um, I really enjoyed looking into this program a little bit better. Um, so let's talk about pricing, and then I'll actually log in and show you what the teacher dashboard looks like. So pricing for Wixie is 75 cents per student monthly for a teacher account, or $5 per student if you choose to pay it yearly. You need to have a minimum of 5 students, and it can go up to 70 students. It allows for unlimited classes, but you manually have to add each student yourself to the account. They do have a school-wide program available. It is billed yearly. It has unlimited teachers, unlimited classes, and that is centrally managed by like the IT department or someone that is assigned to manage the programs in your district. It is priced based on volume, so that could either way. It could be good pricing, or it could be a lot of money depending on how many students you're using. So this is the teacher page when you log in. There are projects that I have posted. What is a mammal? Untitled and just a test. I wanted to see what it did. It has team projects available, assignments that you may have out to the students. So right now there is a new assignment here. I believe that's from yesterday. This was the one that I sent. I did create a student account just to see what it looked like when you sent the project to a student. And it has the assessments that you are able to create on your own. You would go in and click New. When you do that, you are able to create your own rubric. You can go in and choose a topic. If it's lab work, you can go in and do lab work. You can choose the points. You can choose the component that you're looking for. It gives you a list of exceeds expectations, meet expectations, needs improvement, below expectations, and this is all pre-filled. You most certainly should go in and change it to what would meet your learning objectives or learning standards. There are also different levels to this: middle school, elementary school, and primary. And you can keep adding as many as you would like to that through columns. You could add more grading expectations, and you can also add more topics as you go. So let's look at an example of a student's assignment. So when you are creating the assignment, you are able to input instructions here. And when the student opens up the instructions, it's going to ask you if you want to have the student see the instructions right away. You can put a picture on it. You can record yourself doing it. You can add team members for the students to use. You can also attach your assessment to it. So you would click on assessment and create the rubric to go with it. You can align the standards to it. I thought that was a great option. Now when it gets sent to a student, it looks like this. They log in and it goes into a student